might be asking, what the heck is an SSD? SSD means solid-state drive. It's the most common kind of storage drive in PCs today, especially laptops. HDD, or hard disk drive, is what likely came in previous PCs you've owned and is still sometimes used as a backup drive on a desktop. There are significant performance differences between the drive types. An SSD has fewer moving parts and is a lot smaller than a typical HDD. This makes it noiseless and allows for laptops to be super thin and lightweight. SSDs use less power, saving a lot of battery life, and they're much faster, as much as 5 times faster depending on what you're doing. Another important aspect to consider is how much storage space you need. For example, if you primarily use your PC for web browsing and some light work or schoolwork in Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, you might not need a lot of space. But if you work with 4K video or graphics and use large files, you'll want more space and a fast SSD. SSDs are more expensive for large amounts of storage, while HDDs are cheaper.